Are there any study habits that you found not to be effective?
So one of the biggest things for me was, um, watching videos and then just looking at how they do the problem, looking at the solution, and then not doing it myself. I think the biggest thing is if you don't attempt to do it on your own, like, yeah, you could understand it watching a video and be like, oh, yeah, that makes sense. But then the moment you try to do it on your own, you just don't know what to even do. And that was like kind of the techniques that I used in the beginning. And then, the fifth time around, I really attempted to do the problem and make sure, like, before I look at the solution, I tried it, to the best of my ability, even if I didn't know how to do it.
Did you make any changes to your study habits or materials between the times you failed the exam versus the time you passed?
Right. So for the fifth time, I enrolled in prep courses. I didn't do that before. I just mainly focused on like materials, books and stuff that I bought online or borrowed from someone. And the fifth time around, I decided to invest a little bit more into it and take a prep course, well, two prep courses. So, and then the study techniques, I was actually like putting in the time and really trying to do the problems on my own, not just like watching these videos and being like, okay, I got it, and then move on. Like, I actually took the time to do each problem. And
Yeah.
more than once, too. I went through the FE Bytes course. I rewatched those videos like 2 to 3 times.
Wow.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments below which FE discipline you're taking. And don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I post new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck with your studying and I will see you soon. À la prochaine.
Oh yeah, everybody now.